This week, the universe is whispering big shifts, but only for those who are truly listening. Will catch these signs. Wait till the end because your zodiac message might just hold the key you need. So, if you have been feeling stuck, uncertain, or simply waiting for Cosmos, a green light might be there for you for this week. So let's decode from 30th of June till 6th of July, right? So the cards for this week are the Fool, Understanding, Patience, and Guidance, right? So let's start one by one. This week starts with the energy of the Fool, a powerful nudge from the universe saying, take the leap. Take that leap. It's time to allow yourself to be new again. Try something you have never done before, but don't overthink. Understanding shows up like a soft realization. You are no longer trapped by old. The cage is open. You are outgrown of your fears. But patience reminds us that although the energy is fresh, results need time. Seeds are sprouting, but they need nurturing. Don't rush the process. And guidance tells you you are not walking alone. Remember this, your spiritual guides, intuition, even those subtle nudges, they are not random. So this week brings breakthrough if you slow down enough to hear them. So, what you have to do this week, try something new without fear. Spend time in reflection. Trust your mentors or spiritual signs. Meditate even for 5 minutes a day. इस वीक क्या अवॉइड करना है? Don't rush the big decisions. Avoid clinging to the old beliefs or the past mistakes. And also, please don't compare your journey to others. Your path is yours. Always remember this. Right? Now, wait till your signs, your message might be the compass you didn't know you needed. सबसे पहले है Aries. Leap, but look within first. This is your week to trust your instinct, but also to reflect so impulsive moves. Well, इस हफ्ते creative outburst हो सकता है. Take care of restlessness. Taurus, your soul is ready. Your soul already knows the answer. This is a week for trusting inner guidance. Peace of mind मिलेगा, but take care of overthinking. Gemini, freedom begins with the forgiveness. Let go of mental clutter. Emotional clarity will bring relief. Emotional healing होगी. Take care of deep talks. आपको डीप टॉक्स अवॉइड करनी है इस हफ्ते, ध्यान रखना. कैंसर, द मोर यू सरेंडर द मोर यू फ्लो. लेट लाइफ हैपन दिस वीक, डोंट फोर्स थिंग्स. रिलेशनशिप अलाइनमेंट्स हैं आपके लिए दिस वीक, बट टेक केयर ऑफ योर मूड स्विंग्स. लियोस, यू आर रेडी टू ब्रेक फ्री. दिस इज योर वीक टू टेक अ बोल्ड डिसीजंस यू हैव बीन सिटिंग ऑन. करियर पुश आपको मिलेगा इस हफ्ते. टेक केयर ऑफ योर ईगो ड्रिवन चॉइसेस. Virgo, divine timing is real. Stop doubting it. You are closer than you think. A sign or a message that affirms your path this week is something really meaningful. Take care of micromanaging systems. Libra, clarity comes from the stillness. Take time off social pressure. Your balance will return. सारी दुनिया का बोझ आपको नहीं उठाना है. बेनिफिट्स इमोशनल रिन्यूअल है. टेक केयर ऑफ पीपल प्लीजिंग. डोंट डू दैट. Scorpio, your next level needs a new version of you. Take responsibility of your healing. इस वीक आपका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एक्सपेक्टेड है. टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ योर इश्यूज. ठीक है. Sagittarius, पेशेंट इज योर पावर मूव. यू आर ऑन अ राइट ट्रैक, बट रश नहीं करेंगे. अलाइनमेंट है आपके गोल्स में, बट इम्पेशंस नहीं दिखाना बाकी लोगों के साथ. Capricorn, let intuition lead your ambition. Balance logic with gut feeling. A breakthrough in career is expected for you. Take care of your over planning. Aquarius, it's okay to not know everything, but trust the process. Let the unknown excite you. इंस्पिरेशन सर्ज आपको बहुत बेनिफिट देके जाएगी. टेक केयर ऑफ योर आइसोलेशन. Pisces, the universe is guiding you softly. You are more protected than you realize. Support from unexpected sources. Take care of emotional overwhelming. Now, do let me know in the comments which part hit home for you. Let me know in the comments. Share with a friend who needs this guidance too, and don't forget to follow Kavita Tarot Reader for your weekly soul medicine. This was your guidance from 30th of June to 6th of July, and see you next week and daily for the daily guidance. Radhe Radhe.